Fitted remote locking to my 1991 Hiace cruising cabin. That's a slave motor from one of the Chinese units, connected down there. Cable tie around there. There's a hole that was there already, a bracket and a screw in to hold it in place. That's the only place I could find where it wasn't in the way of the window or anything. It's there. On my wiring, I had a spare connector. This one. It's for the puddle light that goes on the door card, which I haven't got. So anyone with the puddle light, that will be connected in. The red and green are live, and the other one's an earth. But the other one only earths when you open the door. So if you're going to use the unit, put it to the red and green. That'll give you a live feed. The earth, I've earthed to a bolt on the door. That gave it the earth from the unit. The live from the unit, obviously, to the puddle light live feed, which is live, constant. And the wiring through there, the wiring for the actual unit goes through that hole there. And the actual unit is up behind here. That's the only place I can put it where it's not in the way of anything. There it is. That's held on with a sticky back tape and a cable tie that goes straight through it. It's there if you need to see it from a distance. That position there. This is a remote control. I'll show you it working. Lock. Unlock. Pulls on this bar down here. And it works perfect. So if anyone wants to refit remote locking to their Hiace that has door key locking, locks when you put the key in and lock it, locks all the doors when you put the key in and unlock it, you can add remote locking to it this way.